All right, welcome back, everybody. We are moving along now on a Friday morning, August 28th, and we're starting out pretty balmy yet again. We got that humidity in place. We've got temperatures right around 70 degrees, and the air mass that has been overhead recently is still impacting us and may give rise, actually, to, as a cold front comes through later this evening, to some stronger thunderstorms. The activity that you may have been hearing on your rooftop in the overnight, that is not severe, just some tropical-like downpours, and some of us still experiencing those at the moment. We'll get to the radar momentarily. Temperatures warmest to the south. Kalamazoo, check this out, at 77 degrees. Grand Rapids at 70, Big Rapids at 68, and Benton Harbor, the warm spot on the board, near 80 degrees in the overnight period. These are the dew points around the state of Michigan as we speak, and those are running in the lower 70s as well for a lot of us. So it's the same sort of a deal this morning to what we had yesterday. But as far as the winds, this is kind of interesting because we've got southwest winds, Battle Creek over to Kalamazoo and South Haven. You come northward into Grand Rapids, and it is a northerly breeze at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, north or northeasterly. And so a clashing of the air masses helping to give rise to some of these overnight thunder showers. And it does look like that frontal boundary is going to be lifting northward. So we start to flood the area, or at least a good chunk of the viewing area, with very warm temperatures. Yet again, I think upper 80s will be achieved. We'll get back into partly sunny skies for a number of hours today. There could be a spotty or stray shower or thunder shower late morning into the afternoon, but many hours won't see anything happening. The main area of thunderstorms that we'll be concerned about will be slicing through, I say, by mid-evening, mid to late evening tonight. And you'll notice that on the model here coming up. We've got the stationary boundary. You could classify it as a warm front, though, because it's going to head northward here in short order, mid to late morning, and then come back down southward this evening, and that will be the reason, the mechanism for producing some more thunderstorms for us. Right now, it's just generally thunder showers with a lot of lightning and heavy rainfall from time to time in the overnight. You can see that on a closer look at the radar, and we'll zoom that in just a bit. These yellows and oranges indicative of tropical-like downpours, and I say tropical because we've got dew points that are Gulf Coast-like this morning, and you can get a lot of rain in a short period of time, but not everybody's seeing those. Kalamazoo, Battle Creek has stayed dry in the overnight. It's not impossible you could have a shower towards I-94, but I think the odds are fairly slim because this frontal boundary is only going to be headed northward over the next several hours. Let's go to this NAM model this time around, and you see it is detecting some of that rain and thunder here in the short term, but that comes to an end, I do think, mid to late morning as that frontal boundary lifts ever so slowly off to the north, and that allows for some drier air in the mid-levels to come in. It'll still be very humid, but we'll wait for that cold front out to the west to start to near us into the mid to late evening tonight, probably between about 7 to 10 o'clock. That's when there could be some thunderstorms right along that front, and they may be gusty, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. The Storm Prediction Center has us outlined for some severe weather, and I agree with it. There is potential for that into this evening. We'll keep tabs, Mike, and then it goes cooler and drier. I talked about that yesterday. Mid-70s, mid to upper 70s for Saturday and Sunday. Humidity gone. Next chance of any rain shower holds off until Tuesday.
Anthony, thanks.